Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Calypso 2 for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a new budget phone for AT&T Prepaid. It's the same phone as the Cricket debut. That's on Cricket Wireless, of course. So so this is a new budget phone. It's available now for $39.99. It's available in satin silver. So yeah. So there's the phone right there. Pretty, your pretty standard smartphone here. Like I said, this is a budget phone, of course. That's the front of the phone. You also have your front-facing camera there, earpiece, power and BAM keys will be on the right side of the phone there. Yeah. Okay. There's the left side there. The left side doesn't have nothing because I don't see nothing there. There's the back of the Calypso 2. You guys have a camera flash, and your speaker, and you also have your AT&T logo on the back as well. There's the back there. So where the hell does your micro SD card and SIM card slot go? I don't know. Somewhere on there. I think the back of the phone does come off. Y'all got to see that there's a little notch on the right side to take the back off, so that's where your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the back of the phone there. So in order to access it, you guys take the back off to access the battery and the micro SD and SIM card slot. So the battery is removable. So that's pretty much rare nowadays. I don't know why it's doing this shit. There's the front. On the top of the Calypso 2, y'all guys have a headphone jack and a microphone, a noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom of the Calypso 2 is your microphone and your Type-C charging port, and your speaker is on the back of the phone, guys. Alright, so do keep that in mind. So I'm kind of surprised that this does have I'm surprised that this does have Type-C. I'm surprised that it does. Not bad for $40, you know. Yeah, I think it's done this showing in the front again. I think that's what it's just. So that they did this twice for some reason. I don't know why they did that. That's kind of weird. There's the top. There's the bottom. And yeah. So yeah. So it says here AT&T Calypso 2's large 5.5-inch display is perfect for taking great photos with a 5-megapixel front, 8-megapixel rear camera, loaded with Android 11 Go Edition and 2 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of memory. Calypso 2 helps you save data and keep you on the go longer on the 2500 mAh battery. So this does have Android 11 Go Edition, of course. So that's pretty interesting. Let's see. So there's the phone right there. You're pretty standard smartphone there for the price, nothing too fancy about it, of course. It does have Android 11 on it, which is very nice. The Go Edition, of course. That's the left side, back, the back. Right side has your power button and volume keys. The battery is removable, so that's very nice. It's rare nowadays that the batteries are removable. The top of the phone has your headphone jack and your noise cancellation microphone. Bottom of the phone has your microphone, your main microphone, and your Type-C charging port, which is very nice. What comes the features and specs on this phone? Like I said, this is a budget phone, so don't expect a whole lot. You do get a 5.5-inch HD plus display with scratch resistant glass, 2.5D glass, 2500 mAh battery, 5 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel rear camera, AT&T Select Series 2-year warranty. So that's pretty cool. So the dimensions of the Calypso 2 is 5.90 inches in height, 2.87 inches in width, and 0.38 inches depth. The Calypso 2 weighs 5.68 ounces, so pretty lightweight phone, pretty compact smartphone here. So if you guys want a compact smartphone, the Calypso 2 could be good for a backup phone and whatnot. You do get a 5.5-inch display. That's a 720p display. That's an HD plus display with 1440 by 720 pixel resolution, 16.7 million colors, 8 megapixel standard angle lens with f2.0 aperture, video capture 1080p at 30 frames, video playback 1080p at 30 frames, 5 megapixel normal lens with f2.2 aperture lens, shooting features, portrait, translate, face beauty, HDR, and night mode, which is pretty cool. Shooting options, photo aspect ratio, and grid type. Battery is a 2500 milliamp. The battery is not removable, but the back is, so you do get access to your micro SD and SIM card slot. I thought the battery was removable, but it's not. My bad. But the back does come off to access your micro SD and SIM card slot. So I thought the battery was removable for some reason, cause it's rare now to have a removable battery. Now it's kind of rare, so I figured that this one would probably have it, but it don't. But the back does come off to access your micro SD and SIM card slot. Talk time up to 17.6 hours. Standby time 19.7 days. Audio playback time 76 hours on speaker. 100 hours on headset there. Time to charge to 50% is about 60 minutes, so that's about an hour. Time to charge to 100% is about 180 minutes, is about 3 hours, which is fucking ridiculous. You do get a quad-core processor, 1.8 gigahertz MediaTek MT6761 processor, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, up to 128 gigabytes of micro SD expansion RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android 11 Go edition here. So, yeah. You only get 4G LTE on this one, no 5G, of course. You do get bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 14, and 30. You do get HSPA plus 3G, which 3G won't be around much longer because they're shutting this shit down. You do get HD voice, which is nice. Wi-Fi calling, of course. Wi-Fi connectivity is 8 to 11 ABGN. Your standard Wi-Fi connection there, so nothing special. Dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, noise suppression by MediaTek, and wireless emergency alerts. Takes a nano SIM card. Your sensors are accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, and proximity. There is no fingerprint sensor, nothing like that. I don't know if it has facial recognition or not. I doubt it. You do get RCS on here as well. Music part is YouTube Music. There's your accessibility, like your hearing aids and stuff like that. Sustainability and whatnot. Product codes and all that cool stuff. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, standard charging brick, and USB-C cable. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone and whatnot, the Calypso 2 from AT&T Prepaid is the phone to check out if you guys are looking for a backup phone and whatnot. It's available now for $39.99. So this is a budget phone, guys. It does have an Android 11 on there, but it has Android 11 Go Edition on there. So it has like lightweight apps on there and stuff like that. So this is a budget phone. Of course, this would be a great backup phone and whatnot. So there's the Calypso 2. I don't know if AT&T had a Calypso before that. I have no idea, but yeah, there's the Calypso 2 on AT&T Prepaid. It's the same phone as the Cricket debut on Cricket, except for a different name and whatnot, of course. So yeah, there you guys go. The Calypso 2 now available at AT&T Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.